Here's the thing. People say, man, there's nothing worse than a no in sales. Actually, it's TO that is the worst thing in sales. Thinking it over. The worst outcome that you could possibly get. It's that middle ground, wishy-washy, in the middle. It's a prospect's way of saying, I really want to get out of this conversation, but I don't want to be confrontational because I am a scared little boy or girl. So I'm just going to tell you that I want to think about it, and you're going to feel good because you're going to put me in your pipeline and you're going to try to follow up, and I'm not going to be there. And the hidden secret of top performers are TOs. They go after them hard with rebuttals to overcome their objections, to find out what the real true objection is. As Ben Affleck said,
tell me you don't like my idea. Tell me you don't like my fucking necktie. But don't tell me you can't put together $2,500.
Same thing here. Tell me you don't like me. Tell me you don't like my truck. Tell me you don't like my company. Tell me you don't like my dog. But don't tell me you don't need this service.